Hello, I'm Lidi, and today I will to introduce my company's marketing model for you. Our company and other fitness companies, the biggest difference is that we also sell online fitness equipment video and about teaching video. Our video divided into many categories. Some for beginner how to use the fitness equipment. Some teach fitness skill to make the bears to quickly reach the standards of good shape. We will also work with keep software jointly. Our company select Ali Cloud, and why we select Ali Cloud, I want to introduce for you. Ali Cloud Fitness is very used now. Ali Cloud belongs to Alibaba Group. Through the integration of the rich cyber stories has its own data center. As a leader Chinese cloud host, is the largest non-domestic cloud service provider. Cloud hosting market share the most large service providers. We trust the Ali Cloud has a large-scale data center. It can be sized to be spread all the world. It has the advantage of the high cost performance, high stability, and high safety. And compared to the traditional IDC, the cost saving of about 80% compared with other service providers, our company will save about 6%, 60%. The all of the cost of the input. It's the independent research and the development. The security and the high reliability of multi-backup, second level recovery, according and stable, and it's a world large network attack defense experience. Can be effective to help customer reduce security risk for customer on cloud escort operations is the biggest reason we trust it. Use the Ali online video product regardless of whether the customer to use mobile phone, tablet, computer, and other equipment. Whether it's through the app where you can buy, sellers can use the register software to identify the buyers, and the chat function can and the customer at any time to communicate. Can use online access to buy, has confirmed customer satisfaction, or is not. And we trust Ali Cloud has a good IT technical personal resource, can assess the user in the development and use of the whole process, and can decide on user needs, flexible adjustment of the bandwidth used within the company meeting. And then I want to introduce our cloud solution. We have two cloud solutions. One is website solution and the other is audio and video solution. The first one, website solution, according to the development storage of Ali cloud site, provide a framework more appropriate scale, effective reduce the website development, and the overall cost of IT operation and the maintenance difficulty, and ensure the safety and the stability of the website, save a lot of manpower and the capital investment. And then I want to introduce some advantage of this project. The one is very fast build. You can use a common solution to build a basic environment, automatically complete the creation and configuration of all resources. The load balancing service eliminates the single point of the failure and ensure the robustness of the system at high concurrence structured data stored in the cloud database RDS. RDS means standby architecture to avoid the single point of core data risk. And the second at which is the efficient disaster and recovery. Load balancing RDS ECS are equipped with across available range of disaster recovery stages. Application and protection of that no danger of anything going wrong. And then the advantage is the healthy check. Load balancing eliminates single point of failure, real-time check of the backed surveys, the industry's most important city disaster tolerant architecture. And our cloud debates high availability, almost 100% high available comments with master seal node. For 30 seconds automatically switch between three center, a key development architecture, and then it's a high performance. According to the characteristic of the peak frequency of the site, the configuration of the cache CDN, elastic expansion, and other functions effectively improve the performance of the site. I want to see the different reason of the user visit site when there is delay problem. You can use the CDN acceleration. CDN in the country has a 500 plus node or 3 plus nodes covering education network, telecommunications, mobile, China Unicom, and other operators. And FuseIt has a large number of static resources. Recommend site content of separate use of CDN combined with OSS mass storage of static resources. Accelerate the speed of loading content. Easy to fax the website pictures, short video content distribution. And then I will introduce our the second solution. It's the audio and video solution divided into business lawyer, technological lawyer, and product lawyer, 3 lawyer, and business lawyer. We set mobile video broadcast, live sport equipment guide, teaching demand and intelligent monitoring as the frequency of the console stories. The technological lawyer is divided into live video service, video on device service, and 3 report service. Then I introduce you some steps about all this solution. Custom cloud audio and video processing, zero development, virtual configuration, transcoding, screenshots, watermarks, audio and video files are uploaded automatically according to the storage path to trigger the workflow execution. Narrow band HD transcoding effectively band base cost saving about 20% plus. Okay, next part I will introduce our implementation in our classroom. We download the LinkedIn and WeChat 2 software in the classroom. LinkedIn the different is more suitable in company and lead the public posting. Released fields can make our company HR department, financial department, the propaganda department communicate better in the first time. But the WeChat is very popular in China, is used the personal communication between the group and group. We also in our company and deliver some conditional document. We also download our remote control software in order to prevent our finished video hawk phenomenon. The customer does not need to stick in front of the computer. Realize remote video teaching. The remote control computer can help the cleansed computer maintenance. In this way, maintenance customers' computer can more easily. And last, I want to introduce about our company's budget. It include cloud debate, cloud server, cloud virtual machine, cloud mail, cloud security, and some big debt, staff salary, and fault maintenance, and computer and other hardware devices, advertising, and company trademark registration. First, cloud debate is used €5 per year, and cloud server is €170 per year. Cloud virtual machine is spent €20 per year, and cloud mail is free, and cloud security is spent €315 per year, and big data is very cheap, it's €2 per year, and staff salary is about spent 5,000 euros per year, and the photo maintenance is about 500 euros per year. Computer and other hardware devices is about 3,000 euro per year, and advertising is about spent 18,000 euros per year, and the company trademark registration is about 700 euros per year. This is our budget. Okay, thank you. Listen for me introduce this part. Thank you.